Today, we're going to be taking a look at two companies making headlines today, and they are Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, and Temu, ticker symbol PDD. Whether you're new to investing or you've been in the game for a while, I hope this video is packed with insights for you. So, the headlines that I've been seeing today concerning Apple are they announced a CFO transition and the iPhone 16 debut is coming up. So, let's take a quick look at this clip concerning the CFO change.
Tech giant Apple announcing a C-suite shakeup. Apple announcing its longtime chief financial officer, Luca Maestri, will transition from the role on January 1st, 2025. He'll be handing the role to top deputy Kevin Parekha. Maestri will stay at the company and continue to lead the corporate services team.
So, as they shared, he's going to be staying with the company. I think it's great that they're sharing this ahead of time. And let's hope for these points right here that the transition will be smooth, that he will continue on as scheduled and have little impact on Apple going forward. Apple is one of the world's most valuable companies with a strong focus in innovation and growth. And with that, we also need stability in the company. So we need transitions like this to go smoothly in order to keep the investors' confidence. So now on to the other headline that I mentioned, the iPhone 16 debut. The tech giant is gearing up for a major event, and that's coming up on September 9th, where they're expected to unveil the new iPhone and Apple Watch models. So let's mark our calendars because this could be big. Rumor has it that iPhone 17 might feature larger screens, an enhanced camera, plus we could see exciting features related to AI with the iOS 18. Apple is always trying to keep us on our toes and excited for their new product launches. So these type of new product launches often lead to a spike in the stock price. In addition to that, innovations with AI and design keep Apple in the forefront when it comes to the tech industry. So now let's take a look at the stock. Current stock price is $227.18. Over the last few weeks, there has been some pullback. You see here on August 6th, the stock price was $207.23. But this is not a concern to me and many investors because we know the potential and our focus is on Apple's long-term growth. Notable investors like Warren Buffett, for example, are huge supporters of Apple stock. And even though he has recently sold off and shifted some of his Apple investments into other mega cap stocks, it doesn't concern me because he could just be looking for diversification. It will still be a long-term hold for me in my growth portfolio. So as I said, there was a slight price pullback, but on the month, Apple stock is up 4.23%, and year to date, it's up 22.38%. So I've touched on this before, but I'm going to go over it again. Apple's ecosystem and the power of it. If you have an iPhone, most likely you have an Apple Watch and a MacBook, and you're used to the iCloud system and the music and just everything working together. Once you're a part of it, many become diehard fans and they don't leave. And that's great for Apple's bottom line and for the investor. They have a loyal customer base, and like I said, they upgrade and stay with the brand for the long run. And investors love seeing this. So I just wanted to touch on those headlines when it came to Apple. But now let's switch gears over to Temu. What's going on with them? Let's start with this clip concerning some legal issues that they have going on.
Time now for the executive edge. Chinese linked fast fashion retailer Shein is suing rival Temu, alleging that that retailer stole its designs and built an empire using counterfeiting, intellectual property infringement, as well as fraud. The suit is notable because Shein similar accusations from a wide variety of brands.
That's all they do is
stuff. Including Levi Strauss and H&M.
So now let's take a look at the stock and learn a little bit about the company if you're not familiar. So Owned by PDD Holdings, Temu is known for its fashion platform, but lately the company has had bumps in the road. Shares have plummeted by 30% as competition in the fashion space intensifies. To make matters worse, Temu's sale numbers were disappointing, which spooked investors in a market where competition is fierce. Even a small miss can lead to big drops in the stock price. So on the day, Temu stock is down 28.51%. Over the last month, down 23.55%. So, a big part of Temu's struggle has been the intense competition, as well as people being more conscious about sustainability. So, it looks like Temu really needs to step up their game and quickly adapt if it wants to regain its footing and recover from their current issues. So, from what I shared, I guess you can see why Temu is number one on today's heat list. Apple is number five. Nvidia is number two, and they have their earnings coming up on Wednesday after the close this week. So keep that on your radar also. So there's really no comparing these two companies, very drastically different. Apple with their ecosystem, long history, loyal customers, while Temu is just reliant on fashion and tapping into what's currently hot for the consumers. So, as investors, we need to be in tune with the importance of these companies' business models. I have no interest in diversifying my portfolio by investing into something like Temu. I get my diversification by investing into my ETFs and index funds. And I focus on larger blue chip stocks like Apple to add into my portfolio. I do believe that diversification is important, but it's also important how you go about creating that in your portfolio. I just wanted to share what is going on with these companies because I want us to continue to stay informed with the latest news and market trends. As always, do your research and continue investing because every dollar invested is a step towards your financial freedom. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And whether you're new to investing or ready to deepen your knowledge and advance your investment portfolio, check out my referral links. They will be in the description and pinned in the comments. And consider joining channel membership. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. Make sure to drop me a comment. Let me know your thoughts on what's going on with Temu and Apple. Until next time, I'm Lisa J. Stocks. Okay, bye.